Hello guys, all going. Today I'm gonna make a custom start button for my BMW E90 2008. So I'm not sure if all these E90s come with this cigarette lighter right here. You can use this to light your cigarette. But I have this aftermarket cigarette lighter, which I'm gonna convert and use it for my start button. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this trim right here to get this start button out. Gotta be careful because there's a wire behind here. This side is out. So I'm gonna unplug this area. There's a plug in right here in the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. Just need to plug that out. So I unplug it. So now I can take my time and tug on this. There's gonna be another wire underneath right here. I have to plug this one out also. It's right here. So I unplug both wire. I remove the whole thing. Oops. One on this side, one on the other side. Just need to squeeze both of them and you push it in. Oops. And now I'm gonna take this apart so that way I can work in the middle area here, because I'm gonna customize my cigarette lighter to be my starter. So to get this apart, let me set it down so you can see. You have one clip focus. You got one clip right here. You have one clip around there. You have one there, and another one right there. As you can see here, I separate the chrome piece. And these are the 4 clips that was holding it. One there, one there, one there, and one there. Now I'm gonna take the middle piece out. And this one have 4 clips also. If I can get it to focus, there's one right there, another right there, and 2 on the other side. So those are the 4 clips that was holding it together. Now it's off. So now I'm gonna remove this white piece right here. All apart. So that little screw end right there was screwed into this section. So all I gotta do is screw it out. I'm not sure how you guys gonna get this aftermarket cigarette lighter, but I have this one for a few years now that I bought from Amazon, and now I'm gonna convert it be my start. But now I'm gonna drill a hole in this. I'm gonna drill a hole in this so that way I can put this inside of this with a small nut in the back of this to hold this in place. So I made a hole through the start button, and now I'm gonna screw this inside of here. Then I put a small nut in the back to secure it. That way it don't fall out. So now I'm gonna reassemble the start button. So now I have my start button all finished. I'm gonna put it back in the trim right here and then reassemble everything. When I'm finished, I'm gonna show you the finished product. Got my trim back in the car, and this is my start button right here. Insert my key. Hold the brakes, push your skull, or start right up. And that's how you customize your start button for your BMW E90. Next up, I'm gonna wrap this trim right here. I don't like the look. I'm gonna put it in carbon fiber. But that's a wrap for this video.